Hello viewers, welcome back and thank you for checking this video out. So today we are making chicken pilau, and as you can see it looks good and it tastes good. So I've already listed here the ingredients that you would need, so we will get right on with the steps. We're going to start by frying the onions. So heat some oil and add the onions and saute them until they are browned. They should be slightly browned, not too dark. And then add in your garlic and ginger paste and cook that as well until it is just very slightly browned. This should not darken or it will taste bitter. So it's almost ready to move on to the next step. Now add in your ground spices and salt. That's pilau masala. I also used some black pepper because I love a bit of spiciness in my pilau. However, you can omit black pepper if you do not like it. Add in chicken. In this recipe I am using boneless and skinless chicken thighs, but you can use any other part of chicken that you can find. Just cut that into pieces that you prefer. I like it a bit smaller pieces. So cook the chicken until it looks mostly done on the outside. It will continue cooking as we add in rice. So the chicken of course will release some of its fluids, and that's okay. Just keep cooking, and at this step we are gonna add the tomato paste. So this is also optional. I love to add some tomato paste for color and also additional flavor, but if you don't like that flavor then you can omit the tomato paste. So just mix that in, and as you can see it looks really thick and good. So now we are going to move on to the next step. Add water. I added 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice, which I had already soaked ahead of time for 20 minutes, so this rice needs less time to cook. So just stir the water in and then add in the rice. Stir in the rice as well, and then make sure you stir in the rice because otherwise everything is gonna settle wrongly. And then cover your pot and cook the rice on like really low heat, and now it's ready. So I let it sit for about 5 minutes to make sure all the fluids are absorbed and that there's less moisture in there, and then I went ahead and fluffed the rice. So as you can see it is loose. This is basmati rice, so it does really well with pilau. And just make sure to fluff gently, make sure the chicken and the rice are all evenly distributed. And as you can see, the rice did not burn at the bottom because I cooked it on low heat and took it off the heat at the right moment when all the fluid had dried up. So when you're done fluffing, it's time to serve the the pilau. So that looks tasty. So go ahead and serve the pilau on a plate and add in some salad. I like to serve it with kachumbari like all Kenyans do. So this kachumbari salad, there's also a video for this kachumbari salad on this channel. You can check it out. It's really good. It goes well with the pilau. And so I did a voiceover for this video because I wanted to try a different format. Let me know if you love this format and I'll keep doing it. Otherwise, you'll notice that in my other videos, it's just music in the background and written instructions. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.